Are you noticing that your vision isn't as sharp as it used to be? Do you sometimes forget small things? Where you placed your keys, a name on the tip of your tongue, or what you were about to do just moments ago? Many people think it's normal that after 60 or 70, memory and eyesight simply decline. But the truth is more empowering than that. Your body is not falling apart. It is waiting for you to nourish it correctly. Every night while you sleep, your brain and your eyes begin one of the most powerful repair cycles nature ever designed. Yet, this natural process depends on one simple factor: what you eat before bed. Certain foods can activate the body's healing rhythm, especially three remarkable dry fruits that fuel regeneration, improve circulation, and cleanse your cells while you rest. These are not just snacks. They are the keys to sharper vision and stronger memory, even in your golden years. Let's begin this journey with a powerful truth. Aging doesn't mean decline. It means opportunity. Opportunity to give your body what it needs to thrive. You see, inside your brain and eyes are millions of microscopic workers, cells that repair, renew, and rebuild. But like any workers, they need materials. Without the right nutrients, the repair slows down and damage accumulates. That's why so many people wake up feeling tired, with cloudy memory or dry, blurry eyes. They think they need more rest, but what their body really needs is the right fuel. I once met a woman named Eleanor. She was 75, sharp-minded but worried about her fading eyesight. She used to love reading the newspaper every morning, but the letters started to blur. Maybe it's time to accept it, she told her doctor. But deep down, she refused to give up. A friend told her about an old nutritional ritual practiced in parts of India, a combination of almonds, walnuts, and raisins before bed. Skeptical but hopeful, she decided to try it. She soaked almonds during the day, peeled them at night, added 2 walnut halves and a few golden raisins. Within 3 weeks, she noticed she was sleeping better. Within 6 weeks, her focus improved. After 3 months, she could read again without a magnifying glass. "I didn't change my eyes," she said with a smile. "I changed what I fed them." So what makes this simple combination so powerful? Let's understand the science and magic that happens while you sleep. At night, your body activates a remarkable system called the glymphatic system. Imagine it as your brain's housekeeping crew. Its job is to wash away toxins, dead cells, and waste products that pile up during the day. One of those wastes, beta amyloid, is the same compound linked to Alzheimer's disease. Meanwhile, your eyes also get to work. The retina, that delicate layer that captures light and sends images to your brain, begins regenerating its light-sensitive cells. But this repair cannot happen in a vacuum. Your brain and eyes both require a steady flow of antioxidants, vitamins, and energy to complete the process. That's where almonds, walnuts, and raisins enter the story. Not as supplements, but as nature's most concentrated form of nutrition. Let's start with the first one, almonds. They may look ordinary, but they carry extraordinary potential. Inside each almond lies vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects the delicate membranes of your retina. Think of it as a shield that guards your eye cells against the daily assault of blue light, pollution, and oxidative stress. Research published in the Journal of Ophthalmology shows that people with higher vitamin E intake have up to 25% lower risk of age-related macular degeneration. Almonds also improve blood circulation in the smallest vessels that feed your eyes. Better circulation means more oxygen, more nutrients, and faster repair. Now, why should you soak almonds? Because soaking removes enzyme inhibitors and unlocks all the nutrients, making them easier for your body to absorb. Soaked almonds are like tiny energy capsules, ready to heal your eyes while you sleep. The second dry fruit, walnuts, are shaped like your brain for a reason. They nourish it perfectly. Walnuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, which strengthens your neurons, the cells that store your memories and thoughts. These omega-3s keep the membranes of your brain cells flexible, allowing signals to pass smoothly and efficiently. Without them, communication slows down, and memory becomes hazy. Walnuts also contain melatonin, your natural sleep hormone, which aligns your body's rhythm with the night. As you sleep, melatonin deepens rest, and omega-3s work to rebuild your neural connections. The result? Better sleep, sharper recall, and calmer focus in the morning. Scientists have even discovered that regular walnut consumption improves brain volume and slows cognitive decline. But beyond science, think about what it feels like to wake up with a mind that remembers, that feels alive again. That's the real power of walnuts. Now let's move to the third, raisins. They're the smallest of the trio, yet perhaps the most underestimated. Raisins are rich in natural polyphenols like quercetin and catechins, antioxidants that reduce inflammation in your blood vessels. Why is that important? Because your brain and eyes depend on healthy microcirculation. Even a slight restriction in blood flow can starve these organs of nutrients. Raisins also provide gentle, natural sugars that release energy slowly through the night. Seniors often wake up at 2 or 3 a.m., not because of insomnia, but because their liver runs out of fuel. The body then releases stress hormones, waking you up. A few raisins before bed prevent that drop, keeping your blood sugar steady and your brain nourished. They also contain iron and potassium, which improve oxygen delivery and muscle relaxation, both essential for deep, restorative sleep. Now imagine what happens when you combine these three: almonds for protection, walnuts for power, and raisins for balance. Together, they form what I call the night repair trio. Each one supports a different part of your nightly healing cycle. Almonds protect your eyes from oxidative damage, walnuts rebuild your brain's structure, and raisins keep your energy and circulation stable. You don't need a complex supplement plan or expensive medication. Nature already gave you the perfect formula. Let's connect this science back to real life. Remember Eleanor, the woman whose eyesight improved? She didn't just eat these dry fruits. She also made small changes to her nightly routine. She turned off screens an hour before bed, dimmed the lights, and kept her room cool and quiet. She told me, "I used to think sleep was just rest. Now I see it as my body's repair time." That's the mindset shift we all need, from surviving the night to using it for healing. Here's how you can create your own nightly repair ritual. About 45 minutes before bed, eat 6 to 8 soaked and peeled almonds, 2 walnut halves, and 5 to 7 raisins. Drink a small glass of warm water or herbal tea. Chamomile or tulsi are perfect choices. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals. As you eat, take slow, mindful breaths. Gratitude and calmness enhance digestion and nutrient absorption. Once you're done, keep your bedroom dark, quiet, and slightly cool. These small steps align your body with its natural circadian rhythm, the inner clock that governs every repair process in your organs. Now let's take a moment to understand what happens inside your body after you fall asleep. In the first few hours of deep sleep, your pituitary gland releases growth hormone. This hormone triggers cell regeneration in your muscles, your skin, and yes, in your retina and brain. Your glymphatic system flushes toxins out of your neural pathways. When your bloodstream carries antioxidants from almonds, omega-3s from walnuts, and polyphenols from raisins, those compounds act as raw materials for repair. They rebuild damaged membranes, strengthen synapses, and protect your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses that keep your cells alive. This is why what you eat before bed can decide how you wake up. Think of your body like a beautiful garden. If you leave it without care, weeds grow. But if you water it gently every night, feed it with the right nutrients, it blooms. These 3 dry fruits are your nightly nourishment: the water, sunlight, and soil your brain and eyes crave. Consistency is the key. Don't expect miracles in 2 nights, but give it 3 weeks, and you'll feel the difference. Your vision may not turn 20 again, but it will grow sharper. Your memory won't make you a genius overnight, but it will make you more alert, focused, and confident. Many elders believe that decline is destiny, but aging is not an enemy, it's an invitation to live wisely, to eat with intention, to sleep with purpose. Your body is far more intelligent than you think. It listens to every bite, every breath, every hour of rest. Feed it right, and it will thank you with energy, clarity, and peace. Let's return once more to Eleanor. A year after starting her nightly ritual, she stood in front of her senior club and shared her journey. "When I started," she said, "I thought I was trying to fix my eyes, but what really changed was my life. I began sleeping deeply, waking up happier, thinking more clearly. I stopped feeling old." Everyone in the room was silent, not because they didn't believe her, but because they saw her radiance. Her story became a reminder that we all have the power to renew ourselves. And that's what I want for you. Tonight, before you sleep, take a small bowl. Place 6 soaked almonds, 2 walnut halves, and 7 raisins in it. Eat them slowly, with gratitude. Close your eyes and imagine your body repairing itself cell by cell. Your retina absorbing vitamin E, your brain soaking up omega-3s, your heart receiving the calm energy from raisins. This is your body's natural medicine. Simple, gentle, and deeply powerful. You deserve to wake up refreshed, to see the world clearly, to remember life's precious details. Don't let age define your limits. Let nourishment define your possibilities. Because inside every senior lies the same spark that once made them strong, curious, and full of life. It just needs to be reawakened. So tonight, begin your journey of healing. Give your body the tools it needs. Trust in nature's wisdom, trust in your body's design, and trust that every small change counts. You're not getting older, you're getting wiser, and now healthier too. And if this message inspired you, if you felt hope stirring again, then don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, The Seniors Hub, and comment below. Tell us your age, where you're watching from, and how these natural tips are helping you. Let's build a community of seniors who believe that health, clarity, and vitality belong to every stage of life. Because at the Seniors Hub, we don't just talk about living longer, we talk about living better. We share wisdom, stories, and science to help you take back control of your body and your joy. So remember, tonight your healing begins not in the morning sun, but under the calm moonlight with a handful of nature's treasures. Close your eyes, trust your body, and let the power of almonds, walnuts, and raisins guide you toward a new morning, one filled with clearer vision, sharper memory, and renewed life. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and comment below about your own nightly routine. Tell us how these natural habits are changing your life. Together, we're creating a world where seniors don't just survive, they thrive.